Hey everybody, so I've got the update. I got the thigh strap on the aluminum drop leg set up. It's working really good. And still need to get a better holster than this. Some fitment issues with my Shadow System DR920, and this is a Glock 17 holster. They're very similar, but there's some issues. But whenever I draw, you see that it doesn't. It was wanting to kick out before with the thigh strap. So that's pretty, yes. I wouldn't trust this holster in this with this gun in like a life or death situation, but this is what I have for testing this fitment. Also, you see I switched so these pistol magazines are facing this way instead of forward. In the other video I went over why that was and how I fixed it. Move these a little bit back because to accommodate these guys so they weren't right in each other's way. Hope that helps.